Let's go over to homework 2B, lesson 2.07. Problem 5 says, suppose two lines are perpendicular to the same line. Are the two lines parallel? So suppose lines are perpendicular to the same line. So suppose two lines are perpendicular to the same line. So you've got this line, for example, and then we have one line like this, which is perpendicular to that, and we have another line which is perpendicular to that line. So the question here is, are these parallel, and why? Problem number 6, two lines in the same plane either intersect or parallel. Explain. Is the statement true of two lines in space? Explain. So what the question is saying is that if you have two lines in the plane, would that be either, is there only two cases that those two lines will be eventually intersect at a certain point, or they are parallel? Do you agree with that statement, and why? If you get that, would that be true in space, three-dimensional space, and why? That's problem number 6. Problem 7 says, use the given information to determine which segment in each figure must be parallel. For each exercise, provide a proof to support your answer. So the first one, problem number 7, we have MP, O, Q, N. Point O is the midpoint of both segments NP and segment MQ. So these are the same exact length, and these two are the same exact length. Now, what can we say about other things? So which segment must be parallel? It looks like this one and this one has to be parallel, right? But why? Why it has to be parallel to each other? Explain. Problem 8, we have something like this, M, N, O, P, Q. The diagrams of quadrilateral M, P, Q, N intersects at point O. MO equals NO. MO equals PO. Oh, that's Q right there. Sorry. And NO equals QO. What can we say? So now it looks like these MN and QP is not look like parallel. So let's think about why NQ is parallel to MP and provide a proof. Problem number 9, standardized test prep. In the figure at the right, ray BG intersects line AC at point B. Ray BG intersects segment DF at point E. Angle ABG and angle GEF are supplementary. So we've got that, and we've got the ray. That's D, E, G, F, A, B, C. So angle ABG and GEF are supplementary. Okay, so this plus GEF, these two, so if you add these two together, that should be supplementary, which is 180 degrees. Choose the correct reasons for step number 8 in the following proof that line AC is parallel to line DF. So BG intersects segment BG intersects segment AC and DF, at point B and F, that's given. Angle ABG and GEF are supplementary, that's also given. And measurement angle ABG, which is this one, plus GEF equals 180. That's the definition of supplementary angles. And then angle GEF is congruent to GEF. Right there is congruent to DEB right here, because of vertical angles are congruent. And then measurement GEF is congruent to DEB, because that's the definition of congruent angles. So that's this. Therefore, angle ABG right there plus measurement angle DEB has to be 180 degrees. And then angle ABG and DB are supplementary angles, because if you add these together, that's 180 degrees. Now it's parallel, AC is parallel to, this is parallel to angle line DF. Why? And you have 4 choices and 1 is correct. Problem 10. In the figure below, so we have D here, E, F, G, J, I, H. That's a terrible H. Okay. And it says measurement DE G plus measurements HFI are supplementary. Supplementary. And a measurement angle FGE, which is this angle, equals HFI. So let's put the tally mark, a tick mark right there. Find the lines in the figure that must be parallel. If there are any, prove what you find. So these are parallel. These are exact congruent angles. So which lines, which segments are actually parallel? Well, possibility is this guy. Oops. Possibility is this guy and this guy are parallel, and this guy and this guy looks parallel. But why? And that's 2.07.